yeah, go down in the cellar, and then you hear the train roaring, you know, all that, house falling apart. And I was stuck down there. So I pushed up about 5 minutes after it's gone, because it was quick. 5 minutes after it's gone, I tried to push up on the door, nothing. So they ended up having to bring the backhoe out. It took them about an hour and a half, but I got plenty of room down there, so it was no big deal. But
pretty hot, huh? Get pretty hot down in there?
Not too bad.
Oh,
yeah, not too bad. But yeah, no, it took my truck. So the thing is, they came looking, but my truck is gone. I don't know where the heck it is. So they didn't see my truck, and they know me. So they're like, okay, his truck's not here. He's probably not here. And so when they came looking, they just kind of turned around. But I made some calls. Luckily, our service was on. Otherwise, I'd still be down there.